Clear? Okay. Hello friends, good evening. This is Akshay Kumar. Welcome to you, my YouTube channel AKB Computer and Spoken English classes. Dear friends, today we will learn about WordPad. Okay. So first of all, we should know what is WordPad. Okay. So WordPad is a basic word processing and text editing application software. Okay. WordPad is a basic word processing and text editing application software which is used for editing, create a document, coloring the document and changing the style or inserting various pictures, okay, through paint, through insert object like. Okay, dear friends, the extension name of WordPad is .rtf and its full form is a rich text format. Okay, dear friends, it was developed in 2007. Okay, so first of all we should know how we can open WordPad. Okay, so for open WordPad, okay, just to keep in mind that this is Windows 8. Okay, this is Windows 8. Okay, so first of all we should know how we can open WordPad. Okay, there are various way, but in the Windows 80 there is a two way, that is press Windows key and type WordPad. Okay, you can see, so WordPad, now it is WordPad. Okay, then press enter. Okay, you can see WordPad window will be display. Okay, this is the first way. Then we have to close it by Alt F4. Okay, then the second way, you have to press Windows key R, Windows key R, so round box will display. Okay, so there you will type WordPad. Okay, you can see this is the WordPad. Then we have to press enter. Okay, there are two ways to open WordPad. Okay, first way, press Windows key, then write WordPad, then enter. Okay, the second way, Windows key plus R, round window will display, then you have to write WordPad, then press enter. Okay, so you can see this is the opening screen of the WordPad. Okay, so we should know how we can reset the Windows position, how we can reset the Windows position. Like this is the maximize, this is the maximize position of WordPad window. Okay, so now we will make it restore. Okay, how we can make it? So there is two way, by a mouse and also by a keyboard. Okay, so by mouse you have to click on this. Okay, this is the restore button. Okay, so whenever you will click the restore button, it will be display the restore situation. Okay, so again we have to make it by keyboard. How we will make it by keyboard? You have to press Alt space R. Okay, you can see it will be restore. Okay, so the next thing, so now in order to adjust the windows. Okay, in order to adjust the WordPad window, I want to move it. Okay, I want to make it move. Okay, so there is two way. You have to click on its title bar, then move. Okay, click, hold and move. You can move like this. Okay, so you can make also by keyboard. Okay, for that you have to press Alt space M. Okay, you can see a move symbol will display. That time you have to press any arrow key. Okay, so you can see, then left arrow, then upper arrow, then down arrow. You can move anywhere as per your recommended. Okay, so this is the move. Okay, then we will increase the window size. Okay, how? There is a two way. You have to click on edge, then hold and increase like this, increase and decrease like this. Okay, something also you can do by keyboard. How you can do it? You have to press Alt space S. Okay, after that you have to press any arrow key. Okay, you can see it will increases to right side, and then press left arrow, it will be decreases its size. Okay, I thought you will understood it. Okay, so then we have to minimize it. Okay, so something for minimize, you have to click on this minimize button. Okay, it will be minimize. Okay, otherwise you have to open it, but you have to make it minimize by pressing Alt space and N, Alt space and N. Okay, so after that, how we will open it? You can open it by clicking here, on the taskbar. Okay, otherwise you have to press properties Alt plus tab. You have to press Alt plus tab. Okay, the minimize WordPad window will be display. Okay, so after that you have to make it maximize. You need to work with, then for maximize you have to click on this maximize button. Okay, otherwise you have to press Alt space X, Alt space X. Okay, so dear friends, I think you have already cleared how we can reset the windows, WordPad windows. Okay, so now we should know its structure. Okay, so dear friends, the top bar, you can say this top bar is called title bar, because so you can see this is the title of WordPad, it is written. Okay, it's written. Okay, so this is the minimize button, this is the restore button, and this is the close button. Okay, and this is the help button. Okay, and whenever you will save, okay, whenever you will save any other's name, any user name, then his name will be displayed here. Okay, so how we can display that username? You can display. Okay, so you can see, so suppose now I am saving this document by pressing Ctrl S. Suppose I will write Kirod. Okay, you can see this Kirod name will display here, was displayed here. Okay, so after that this is the menu bar. Okay, what will happen in the menu bar? You can see there are three menu. Okay, that is file, home and view, but in the Notepad it was 5 menus. Okay, so now these options, you can see these options are called command or option. These options are called command. Okay, these options are command, and this below rating are group. It is a paragraph group, it is the insert group, it is the editing group, and it is the clipboard group, and in view option it is also show and hide group and setting group. Okay, these are called group. Okay, the collection of command or option is called a group. Okay, so after that this is the ruler bar. Okay, this is used unit to measure the page size. Okay, so then after there will be 2 scroll bar. Okay, you need to move left, right, and top, bottom. Okay, for left, right we have to click on, for left, right you have to click on no wrap option. Okay, after that you have to make the large page horizontally. Okay, you have to make the large page horizontally, then the horizontal bar will be displayed. You can see this is the horizontal scroll bar. Okay, horizontal scroll bar. Okay, for vertical scroll bar you have to make vertically large page. It means you have to press enter continuously, otherwise you have to fill the document by writing. Okay, you can see this is the vertical scroll bar. Okay, this is the vertical scroll bar. Okay, so dear friends, this is the status bar. This is the status bar. You can see here the status of a file. It means how large the page is. Okay, so dear friends, this was the basic of WordPad. Okay, so in the next video I will discuss the file menu, about the file menu, home menu, and view menu. Okay, thank you all of you. Bye bye, good night, stay with me.